Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shiprocket to Shopify. So, first, you may want to head over to your Shopify admin page at admin.shopify.com. And of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in a new tab, just head over to Shopify App Store at apps.shopify.com. And in the search bar, we're just going to search for Shiprocket, then just press enter. And from the list of apps, we're going to choose Shiprocket. Just a reminder that this app is only compatible for some countries and regions. And if you're compatible, you can proceed with installation. Grant access permissions by clicking on install once again. So from here, you can start by creating a free account, or you can also start with your Shopify account. So once you're logged into your Shiprocket account, in the left panel, click on Channels, then click on All Channels. And from the Channels page, click on Add New Channel. And from the lists of channels, of course, choose Shopify. Just click on the Integrate button. And lastly, all you have to do is enter in your Shopify store URL. Then once done, just head over and click on Connect to Shopify. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!